How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Josh, and I didn't show my Jeep in the last video. I just did the grab handles for you guys. So now let's do a walk around of my Jeep. Now my Jeep is a 2012. As you can see, I got this Jeep about 2 weeks ago. I haven't drove it as much because I went on vacation, but here it is. Here's my baby, man. I already had a few mods on it, like the light bar and everything. Now I know people had complaints about the light bar and how it whistles, but this one, they did a pretty good job of putting it on and making sure it did not do any of that. They got some all black rims on it, and I think I'm going to change those and repaint them because they're starting to peel a little bit, as you can tell. These are 32 inches. Yep, I got the Wrangler Sport model. I have no AC, all manual windows, manual locks. I just gotta get used to it. Show you guys the back of it. Yep, this is my baby, man, and I'm gonna take off the doors and the top for you guys in just a second. What's up, everybody? All right, I'm back. And I got the roof off, the doors off. Let me show you how it works. Very nice, very nice. It took me a long time to take the doors off because I don't think the guy who had this vehicle before, he lived up north, like in Canada, so I don't think he ever took the roof off or the doors. And you can tell by how, like, you know, it was just tough, you know. I was like a little rusty and everything to take them off. I got the quick mirrors, just stay legal on the road. You need the quick mirrors if you're gonna take the doors off, guys. So these are like 20 bucks. I'm gonna spray some stuff to go in there, so when I put it back in and take it off, it won't be as bad. And that's it. Yep. Okay, guys, about to head to the field and do a little run, test up the Jeep and everything off. So I'll let you know how it rolls, man. So, welcome back, everybody. Or yeah, made it to the field. Got my mask on because, you know, 2020, you gotta wear your mask. COVID-19, you don't want to spread the virus. You want to keep yourself safe, so always wear a mask. And I got a Jeep one just for my Jeep, you know. And yeah, show you the look of the Jeep at the field. Let's go. It looks so amazing, man. I love how it looks with the doors and the top off. It looks so nice, you know. Many people really don't like the Angry Bird eyes, but I like the mod that the guy put on the Jeep that I had it previously, you know. So it's nice. I noticed that when I was driving, this one was actually fine. I think the driver's mirror was whistling a little bit. I think you got to tighten up the screws. I was like in a rush to get out here, you know, take everything off and get right to the field, man. So I'm about to run. You know, got to get my cardio back. You know, I've been lazy over the quarantine days. So I'm about to stretch. Always stretch, you know, before you run, so you don't hurt anything. Yeah. And this is actually my middle school right here. This is my middle school field. Nobody's out here, just me. Yep. The high school, I couldn't go to it, you know. I was only open for student athletes, and there was a lot of people. Actually, I might start over here. So, it's a nice day out, you know. Like 85 degrees. I miss it, man. I haven't been on this field in so long. No turf, all grass. I'm gonna stretch over here, man. The high jump pit used to be right here in this area. Used to be a high jumper. 7th grade, all the way up to my senior year. Did alright. You know, I miss those days, track and field days. Just to play basketball also. And now we are. I'm a college student with a Jeep. And I'm making videos for you guys. So I'm not going to record myself working out. I'm just, just telling you about my day and enjoying my Jeep. So stay tuned.